Hi everyone. So today we have this live of wellness tattvas, and today we will speak on headache, different type of headache. Migraine is a common type of headache. So many people face it, and headache is very common. There are different types of headache, and people generally, there are very few people who doesn't go through a headache at least once in few months. So let's see how we can get relief from headaches. And reasons are many. It can be a physical reason, or it can be a reason from the mind, like emotional reason, like from stress, from anxiety. Headache can come. And physical reason is migraine is a physical type of headache, and due to different other conditions in the body also headache can happen. And environmental reasons are also there. Sometimes when the seasons change, you get headaches. So there are headaches which happen because not as a symptom of something. It just happened because of the specific areas of brain is affected, or muscles, nerves and blood vessels, or brain chemicals. These are, for example, cluster headache or tension headache happens like that. But there sometime headache can be because of some other underlying causes, like some systemic conditions, like an infection can cause a headache. Due to hypothyroidism, headache can happen. Due to stroke, if there is a tumor in the brain, like that, some underlying cause will be there, and headache will be a symptom. In that, you need to take care very much. Otherwise, primary headaches, generally, if you attend to it, you will get relief. And sometimes the tension headaches give you a feeling of a band, tight band around your head, and also it is a constant dull headache on both sides involved, and sometimes the head pain go to the back of the neck. This is the most common type of headaches. And these migraines, another type of headache, only one side can be affected, and pulsating, throbbing headache can happen. Light-headed feeling will be there, or sometimes even the vision is affected. Like change in vision will be there. There is a type of migraine called ocular migraine also, when eye is involved. And so in migraine also you will be sensitive to light or sound or both. And sometimes nausea or vomiting will be along with the headache. So this is also another common type of headache people face. And it is a very nagging condition, the migraine headache. Then sometimes cluster headaches come. Cluster headaches are like small, maybe 15 minutes, but very severe pain. It can go up to 2 hours, 3 hours also. And in cluster type of headache, there will be pain around the eyes, and eyelid will droop, and nose also will be involved, running nose or clogged nose. Sometimes the face sweat also. This is cluster headache. This is also not uncommon. Then there is sinusitis, which is the result of infection in the sinuses. So in that, you will feel heavy and dull. When you bend down your head, the pain increases and you feel very heavy. So this is a secondary type of headache, but this is also very common. And sometimes with the eyes, the headache is triggered. That comes to the either in the tension headache, or even some type of migraine also can get triggered. So what we can learn is, when you have a headache, how to deal with it, and immediately how to get relief. That's what we will share. And also it is not that only that time you need to get relief. You have to treat it properly. You find out the cause. If you with an Ayurveda, you can easily find out the cause and avoid the triggers and treat it systematically. Certain things you have to take care is, you have to avoid all the triggers Mostly the triggers is missing a meal will trigger headache, and food items like alcohol, chocolate, aged cheese, old one, and nitrates in certain type of food, especially meat and fish. This all can trigger headache. And for some of you, you must have noticed there is a compound called MSG in junk food. So that also triggers. Many people have that as a trigger. So avoid these triggers and may follow all the lifestyle measures like eating regular meals. That is very important. If you have regularly headache, eat regular meal and follow a routine. This is also very important. Follow your eating time, sleeping time, and waking up time. Everything. Write out a routine and follow that. And sleep early and wake up early. That is very important if you want to deal with your headache. And hydrate yourself and get enough sleep. Many times because of the work or work pressures, people sleep only 4-5 hours. You need 7 to 8 hours of sleep, especially when you are very hectic physically and mentally. You need a lot of sleep. And exercise regularly, because the blood flow has a huge role on healing headaches. And avoid alcohol. Alcohol is one reason if you are getting continuous headache. Look into that. And if you are using a lot of screen, take breaks. And that is important. And main reason is to handle your stress. A few minutes of pranayam and meditation, if you practice, especially Sudarshan Kriya, if you practice, you can deal with the stress and also deal with the headaches. Because these pranayam and meditation has physical effects also, other than mental, giving mental peace and mental alertness. It also has lot of physical benefits. We will talk about that in one of these Wednesdays. So right now we see how to handle when you have a headache, what to do. I know you are waiting for that. And before that, one more thing. See, Ayurvedically, we see every condition as triggered by Vata imbalance, Pitta imbalance and Kapha imbalance. So there is Vata headache, there is a headache which is triggered by Pitta, and there is Kapha headache. And Vata headache, how will you know is, you will have sharp pain, fluctuating pain. It will rise and fall. Sometimes it will be heavy, sometimes you feel, oh, it has come less, but again it triggers. That is one symptom. And if you feel a band like feeling, a tight band is around your head, that usually happens in Vata headache. And generally Vata headache is triggered by stress and when you are multitasking too many things at a time and you cannot handle it. In that case it happens. Irregular eating habits, sleeping habits will trigger it, and eye strain also will trigger Vata type of headache. And you will also have some neck pain in that. The pain starts and go down to the neck also in Vata type of pain. And sometimes some associated symptoms will also be there. Like sometimes you feel gassy, that time body pain can be there. Constipation along with the headache will be there. So know that it is Vata pain. And then you follow the Vata protocol. Like diet and lifestyle which supports your Vata along with the medications for headache. This is very important. Sometimes when you follow Vata protocol only, this headache gets cured. And if you have Pitta headache, generally most of the migraines come in Pitta. Actually Pitta and Vata together is their reason for migraines. And also in your headache, if you cannot bear sound, know that it is Vata triggered. If you cannot bear light, definitely Pitta is also there. And even eye strain, with the screen, Pitta headache also can happen. In Pitta headache, you will have burning in eyes and burning maybe in other parts of the body also sometime. Pitta headache can be associated with acidity also. Along with the headache, you will have acidity, nausea, vomiting, all that. And you will have anger and frustration and irritability, very irritable mood when you have Pitta type of a headache. So then you can understand it is Pitta type of headache, and then you can you should follow Pitta protocol, Pitta diet and lifestyle. And for these protocols, you can read my book Ayurveda Simplified. There all these Vata, Pitta, Kapha protocols are given. What diet to follow, what lifestyle to follow, all that in detail. And if you have Kapha type of headache, generally you will have congestion associated with it. Sinusitis type of headache is Kapha type. You will feel dull and dull headache, heaviness also, and in the body also you will feel heavy. So it is important to know what type of headache you have, because the remedy depends on that. So now let's see, when you have headache, what to do. One thing is tea. You can take, like, I am not talking about medicine. Medicine, of course, you need to be guided when you do a nadi. But these remedies you can easily follow and you will get relief from the headache. So you can take, if you have Kapha type of headache, you can take ginger tea and ginger lemon tea. And if you have Pitta type of headache, you take peppermint tea and coriander tea. So throughout the day you can sip these teas. And if you have Vata type of headache, you have to take 2 type of teas. One is towards the evening you take chamomile tea if it is available. Otherwise, throughout the day, what you should do is you should make a tea out of cumin seeds, jeera, and coriander seeds, dhania ka bij, and cardamom, elaichi. So 1 elaichi, half teaspoon of coriander seeds roasted, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds roasted. This is enough. So you roast the seeds and crush the coriander, crush the cardamom, and cardamom is elaichi. Boil it in 100 ml water, and that is the tea. And throughout the day you keep on sipping this tea if you have a Vata type of headache. So with the tea only you will get relief. And if you want to apply some paste, in Kapha type of headache you apply ginger paste, like grind ginger, make it a paste with adding water, and apply it on your forehead, and 2-3 times you can apply, and then you can wash it off. And if you have Pitta type of headache, if you are burning, apply chandan ka paste, sandalwood paste, sandalwood powder you make into a paste with adding water, or even rose water or milk also you can add, and apply it on your forehead and wash it off. And in Vata type of headache, you can do cold compress. You don't have to take water from the fridge or anything. Normal water, you dip the towel, squeeze out the water, and then put it on your head, forehead, neck, and on both sides also. And this actually on 3 type of headache you can do. In sinus it is good if it is a little water, like it little hot. The water should be little hot. In Vata and Pitta type of headache you can do this type of compress. In Kapha type of headache you can also take mild steam. You don't have to do the inhalation. You can use the towel and you can do the mild steaming in the head. And another thing which you may not be familiar is something called nasya. When you have these headaches, you can apply 2 drops of ghee into your nostrils if you have Pitta headache. And so you close one nostril and apply 2 drops of liquid ghee and inhale it inside, and then other nose you close and do the other side. So like that 2 drops of ghee you can put. If you have Vata type of headache, you can use sesame oil on the nostrils. You can apply sesame oil. When you apply the ghee, you take your head little backward. So sesame oil in Vata type of headache. And in Kapha type of headache, you can apply Anuttaila. This is a medicated oil. You can buy it, small nasal drops, Anuttaila. Same way, 2 drops in each nostrils you can apply. And this you can do morning, maybe just after the sun comes you can do. Maybe 8:30 you can do, or even after breakfast, leave some gap 1 hour, and you can do it in the evening also. So this also will give you relief. And another thing which you can do is points. There are marma points which will help you in relieving the headache. So first 3 points I will tell you. One is in the hands. You know this position, no? Where your thumb and index finger join here. Here when you touch, you have to take your left hand and do it with your right fingers. When you touch, you have to press. When you press, you will find a place where it is little sensitive. So press those points. You press for 30 seconds and release. Again press for 30 seconds and release. Like that you can do 10 times. And you can also do it on the other hand. Sometime you will feel one hand is more painful than the other hand. So this is a marma point which will relieve your headache. And second point is on your shoulders. So you take your right hand and just put like this. So wherever your fingers come, no, your 3 fingers reach, press there and release. Press there, hold for 30 seconds. You have to press nicely, especially on shoulders. So press and release. Press and release. Press, hold for 30 seconds and release. Do it for 10 times and then release your hand and do it with the other hand. Press and release. So like 30 seconds, press, hold and then release. Do that for 10 times. Now next is, there is a marma in your here, no, this is your eyebrow, and there are at the end medial side of the eyebrow, when you touch, no, you will feel a little sensitivity there. So these are marma points called brow. So keep the index fingertips on these points and then press it and hold for 30 seconds. How do you know 30 seconds? You can count 30 and then release and repeat. So this also you can repeat 10 times. And so these 3 points will give you lot of relief. So these are marma points, and all the marma points have name. I didn't tell you, I don't want to confuse you, so I just told you this. This is called brow, andar brow. And another thing is a mudra, and this mudra is a magic. Whenever you have headache, and what I suggest is, now after seeing this video you have to do this mudra and you will see there is a big difference. Maybe you don't have headache, that doesn't matter. You can feel something, no? You feel your head is becoming lighter. So how to do this mudra is, you bend your ring finger to the palm, both hands, ring finger to the palm, and first 3 fingers tips you are holding together, and only little finger is standing up straight. Sometimes your finger doesn't listen to you. Take someone else help to do this. And hold this mudra, and then you keep it above your thighs. Your back of the palm is touching your thighs. And any mudra you do, you stay with your spine erect and relax your body. Relax your shoulders. Sometimes you hold the shoulder like that. Relax your shoulders and close your eyes. You are still holding the mudra. Take deep long breath in. 18 breaths you should take. Deep breath. Just focus on breath only. Breathe in and out. Long deep breath in, 18 breaths, and then slowly you open your eyes and release the mudra. Keep your palms open. If you want, you can stay some more time. You can breathe normally and some more time till you feel your headache is gone. You can stay like that. And if you're feeling sleepy, you can lie down and sleep after this. Or if your headache is gone and you are slipping into meditation, that's fine. You can release the mudra and continue meditating. And if you don't have headache also, you should do this mudra today before sleeping. What you will feel is, you will feel like your head is suddenly relaxing. You feel that light head. And you can also do this when some days when you're working, suddenly you feel your head is very tight. You may not have a headache, but you feel it's very tight. That time you can do this mudra. But when you have headache, definitely this will give a relief. So this mudra is a treasure for you. And this is for that time your headache to settle down. Oh, with all these things your headache will settle down. It will disappear. But then you should find out the reason, and step by step you should treat your headache. If you follow all this, if you have a migraine tendency, you can do this continuously also. 45 days you can do this. Even more, 3 months you can do this. On a regular basis you can do this mudra. You can do the points, and you can have the tea also. And also whatever I told you, if you follow all that, like regular routine, all that, then you will be able to come out of headache also. But still, if you find it is persistent and attacks are coming more, then you should attend to the underlying cause. Maybe lot of vata imbalance is causing, or pitta chronic imbalance, some imbalance is causing it, or some systemic disease is causing it. Then you will need a medicine. But even though you are continuing that, anytime you get a headache, you do all this, you will get a relief. So that is it. And always remember, headache sometimes can be very dangerous. If you get a sudden occurrence of headache and it is not coming down with all this, immediately you need to seek medical help. So I hope you enjoyed. Listen to the video again and again, make your notes and practice all this, and let me know how this helped you. You don't have to live a life with headaches. You can easily get rid of your headache and walk the path of wellness. So see you next Wednesday with another Wellness Tattva.